Vivo is dropping a new model from its camera-centric series, the Vivo V70. Notably, the ZEISS collaboration remains the main highlight here, boasting new camera features to explore with. So today we're taking a quick rundown of the things we like about this phone so far. I'm your host Earl, and let's get right into the video. Right off the bat, the Vivo V70 is clearly designed for users who take lots of pictures and videos. Be it portraits, random snaps, selfies, and even high-quality vlogs. We can expect the ZEISS camera system can handle all that with no fuss. The Vivo V70 packs a quad camera setup led by a 50-megapixel ZEISS main camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ZEISS super telephoto also with OIS, and an 8-megapixel ZEISS ultra-wide lens. Up front, there's yet another 50-megapixel ZEISS group selfie camera.
Perhaps one of the best things about the Vivo V70 so far is its telephoto capabilities. It can shoot up to 100 times digital zoom, 3 times optical zoom, and even 10 times for zoom in portraits. Trying these out ourselves, the image remains sharp and nicely processed even at longer zoom ranges at up to 10 times zoom. There's also this upgraded AI stage mode with an extended zoom level at up to 20 times zoom. Thanks to a large 1/1.95-inch sensor,
Alongside AI image enhancement, photo shots at 20 times zoom preserve much needed details for better clarity. This means that the shot will still look decently nice, providing clearer faces, which I think is gonna be useful for concert goers out there.
and for those who love spending time outdoors, we think you'll appreciate the new AI visual features like the AI Magic Weather and AI Magic Landscape. These new additions let you change the overall look and feel of your image to something like cherry blossoms, the golden hour, or even one of the 4 seasons.
For the first time in the V series, the Vivo V70 finally allows 4K video at 60 frames per second. This is great for shooting fast-moving subjects, providing fluid motion and sharper frames. With that, if you're familiar with video editing, you'll actually get the flexibility to slow your footage down to add a more cinematic feel to your vlogs or similar content. Aside from hardware upgrades, its software gets some love too. Out of the box, the Vivo V70 now ships with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16, and the improvements here are quite nice as compared to before with FunTouch OS. Everything feels a lot smoother and we get tons of new features and customization options. There's the refresh look that's evident from the lock and home screens. Even the notification panel icons get that frosted glass effect. And speaking of notification, it's much more interactive now with live activity showing up on what Vivo calls Origin Island. Say, I'm listening to music, I can just easily tap the Origin Island and control the playback right there. Vivo's update policy is commendable as well, promising up to 4 major OS upgrades and 6 years of security patches. Now, despite the slim profile, having only a 7.59mm frame, the Vivo V70 packs a large 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery. Equipped with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, it provides efficient performance leading to overall solid battery life. On a single charge, the phone can do up to 40 hours of video playback and up to 11 hours of gameplay of PUBG Mobile. If ever the phone runs low on battery, the 90 watts flash charge gets it back up to 100% in just about an hour. Another neat thing about this is that the technology behind the Vivo V70's battery provides protection against extreme temperatures.
It can withstand as low as -20 degrees Celsius.
Or as high as 40 degrees Celsius, meaning it should remain reliable in the long run. Talking about protection, the Vivo V70 is IP68 and 69 rated, offering the highest level of dust and water resistance similar to flagship devices. So if you ever dip the phone in the pool by accident, you can trust that it will still work. Just make sure that it's completely dry before plugging it to charge. Of course, we can't ignore that sleek design in a premium build. Our unit is in the golden colorway, and as the name suggests, it shows this subtle sunset-like cloud pattern at the back. The color scheme here makes the metallic camera island stands out, and the flat edge design along with aluminum alloy frame add that level of elegance in hand. Not to mention, the device is smaller in size, sporting a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display, so it provides a bit more comfortable grip. So those are just some of the features that we have been liking so far. With just its ZEISS camera system alone, the Vivo V70 remains a good daily driver for shutterbugs like me. It keeps all the solid features from previous iterations and polish everything they could both in hardware and software. For those interested in getting the new Vivo V70, it starts at 31,999 pesos for the base model with 8GB plus 256GB configuration, while the 12GB model is priced at 35,999 pesos. If you want a maxed out storage, there's the 12GB plus 512GB variant priced at 39,999 pesos.
The Vivo V70 is now available for pre-order in Vivo stores nationwide until March 13, 2026. Enjoy up to 2,000 off as well as a free Vivo VIP card and Vivo Buds Air 3.
That's it for this video. What do you think of the new Vivo V70? Will you get this anytime soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this content, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and visit yogatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!